Have you ever heard of a slaughter?
I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is IK in the building, International King for the ladies that don't know.
Playboy International, and that's for all the ladies. Kylie Jenner, I'll see you in Beverly Hills. Let's get into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods, we want to say get to a speedy recovery, and we wish you well. On to our next hot topic.
Get a driver, Tiger. Let the king be your driver.
We talked about this last Rose and Gold too, but on to our next hot topic.
Let's move into our next hot topic with No Limit rapper Mac Phipps could get clemency after 20 years in prison. And to give you guys a bit of an insight on this, for you who don't know, Mac Phipps actually, he was accused of manslaughter, but he's saying that he was innocent.
It's sad. Sad what happened, sad what happened. There's a lot of different people that have been coming out of jail recently. Bobby Shmurda, everyone's talking about it because he made his hit single, and now he's finally out. On to our next hot topic.
New details on Kim Kardashian and Kanye West's divorce.
Allegedly, we heard about this, that Kim and Kanye have two separate ways that they want to raise their children, and Kim allegedly said she doesn't want Kanye to see the kids, so let's go into our next hot topic.
Kanye, you're a thumbs down from me.
Exactly.
Go play Gold Dig on Blast.
What did you just say?
Go play Gold Dig on Blast.
Okay.
Our next hot topic is with Lady Gaga. She offers $500K reward for return of her French bulldogs after her dog walker was shot.
Again, same thing with Tiger Woods. Hopefully your dog walker gets to a speedy recovery, and hopefully you get your dogs back and the people just return your dogs. On to our next hot topic.
Travis Scott causes a frenzy at Fairfax in rare Nike Dunks that resell for up to $25,000. Travis...
We heard about this because he did this last year too, where he got feed and he got fined for doing the same type of commotion and starting a commotion in the middle of the street.
And Dr. Ross, I'll insert the video, but people are going crazy, jumping on top of each other, pushing everyone around. This is a thumbs down from me, Travis.
Exactly.
You're not that good.
Glasses all the way up there, mask up to the eyes, going. So,
Dr. Ross, you know who that reminds me of? Tekashi. Speaking about Tekashi, we're moving into our next hot topic with Tekashi 6ix9ine reveals 60-pound weight loss after social media hiatus.
Boring. Next hot topic because no one cares about Tekashi 6 Rainbow 9.
Jennifer Lopez is a romantic bride in shotgun wedding photo.
You know, A-Rod is deciding to post a lot of past old couple photos with J-Lo, and J-Lo's still looking good. J-Lo's been looking good from the get-go, but we all know why he's posting this. It's probably because J-Lo sat him down and said, "Now you listen here,"
Because
and
if you really think
straightened him out.
If you hear, no one's been talking about that or the allegations for a while now.
You know, it's exactly like I said, and J-Lo probably didn't just do that. She hired her henchmen like Angelina Jolie to go over to the mistress's house and say, "You better not come around A-Rod anymore," while she's being her scandalous ways with the other men. So, let's get into our next hot topic.
And before we get into our hot topic, as you guys can hear, there is some rain going on right now.
Thunderstorm.
Hopefully the thunder doesn't strike.
In the Playboy penthouse building, if you guys did not know where we are, Playboy International.
The Playboy penthouse.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Bella Hadid fell on the runway and had the sweetest reaction.
Yes, she was doing her runway for Michael Kors 4 years ago, and when she had tripped up and fell, all the photographers just tried to keep taking a picture, and only one photographer tried to help her, and she said she wants to personally thank that photographer for trying to help her. So,
you can
find the photographer.
You can find them really easily. Exactly. It's called Look It Up on the Internet. Let's move into our next hot topic with Boozy criticizes Lori Harvey and Michael B. Jordan. Now, Dr.
Stop
Ross,
criticizing the people, and you need to change your name, Lil Boozy.
He needs to change his name, but he's probably saying, Michael B. Jordan, you effed up. giving her stocks and tons of money just to go to the king.
Exactly.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
The thing I want to say about Michael B. Jordan, because Michael B. Jordan's been in the topics a little bit, and away from Lori Harvey, Michael B. Jordan was actually asking Eddie Murphy that he wanted to be in The Coming America 2, and Eddie Murphy turned him down. So,
Eddie Murphy just doesn't have the time, Dr. Ross, and he already knows how he's going to set up his film, so he didn't need Michael B. Jordan in the film.
don't.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Gal Gadot shares Wonder Woman throwback photo while reflecting on nearly quitting acting. You know that's a lie.
We know this is a lie. She's always been scandalous from the get-go. Thumbs down, and congratulations on being our She's Hot winner.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. I almost forgot about that. But with you quitting acting, thumbs down. Put Dr. Ross and I in some of your films if you don't want to do it. Let's move into our next hot topic with Taraji P. Henson is gutted. She took home just $40K for her role in Benjamin Button.
Keep doing your work. This is a thumbs down, but you know, Taraji, we love you and Cookie, and IK and I are always available. We're always ready, and we heard that you guys are making the reboot from some certain shows, so we're ready for that.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
In regards to Taraji P. Henson, we don't know if you're bragging about how you got the money or if you don't want the money. But give the role to Dr. Ross and I if you don't want to take the role.
Exactly.
Because
40K
right now,
is being added to your millions from this movie and that movie and this show and this show.
So put it to your son's college. You could do whatever you want with the 40K. But if you don't want it, let the King and Dr. Ross take over.
That's right.
We're also going to recap about with the Kim Kardashian and Kanye West situation.
Because you guys are talking a bunch of gumbo and yeah here and there. Just last week, weren't you guys saying that this is a perfect relationship, perfect
Pure
kids?
love.
Exactly. And now you have 4 kids, and now you're saying it's just horrible. You don't want him to see the kids.
And you're saying who's going to be the mother and who's going to be the father.
Exactly.
The whole thing is messed up right now. And Scott...
Except for IK. IK could be the new father because
True.
IK is the father of all of you, baby, scandalous mamas.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. But with Scott, you need to stop. You've let 4 or 5 years pass up. Go sit down, Scott.
Exactly.
Go back to rehab.
Lisa Rinna doesn't even want you with her daughter. It keeps popping up every day saying Lisa Rinna does not want you with her teenage daughter because we've seen the proof. Need I say more with Kourtney Kardashian?
Lisa Rinna doesn't want a sucker. Let's move
Exactly.
to our next and final hot topic for today with Johnny Depp's $55 million French village has a bistro, wine cave, and a skate park. And now it's up for sale again.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, and get yourself a boat or something. And then make it the Pirates of the Caribbean. These are all of our hot
True.
topics, and let's close it off.
This is an invite. Miss Kylie Jenner. Brunch, lunch, or dinner. I'll be having a steak, of course. Rare. You look spectacular in that black dress. That's for you, Kylie. I'll see you at the Beverly Hills Polo Lounge.
Let's go. Exactly. That's my reaction. Oh my god, man.